Okay, hi, very good afternoon to all my dear friends and to my most honorable teacher, Mr. Pandey. This is me, Nikita Kakkar, in front of you all, and here I am presenting myself in front of you with a very most important presentation. This is not just about the presentation, but this is about the most significant part of our nation. So before starting anything here, I would like to request to you all, please, by standing, we really need to give contribute to those who killed in Kashmir attack. Please stand up. We really need to give contribute to that. Just for a few seconds. Thank you all. So as we all know about the attack of Kashmir, right, which was very heartbreaking, and we all know about Pahalgam, and one of my idol once he said that if we have heaven on earth, so that is totally about the Kashmir, and he was saying that if really someone wants to go there to explore heaven, so we really need to go there. And now, as of now, we can see the situations of right now that the Kashmir is like, I think there is nobody who wants to go, right? And now it is becoming like a terrorism place. So why it is happening? Do you ever think about it? Why it is happening? So first we really need to know about the what is the meaning of terrorism and how we can denote it. So terrorism is a group organization by Al Qaeda, by ISI group, where they are making bombs, atom bombs, guns, and many things to use towards nations, and so that they can spread fear among the people, so that they can fulfill their desires by giving punishments, by kill someone, and so that they can impose a government to fulfill their demands. It could be anything. It could be about the political reason, about the pilgrim reasons, and many more things by their own mindsets. And they always just trying to do that so that our, like government, they just want to make them their followers. So this is the only reason terrorism is going on. So the thing is that where we need to prevent, like where we need to stop this thing and how we can do it. Like, okay, first let me tell you about the Pahalgam, which is just heartbreaking, and it happened on the Tuesday evening. People were enjoying there with their families, with their loved ones, with their husbands. There are many wives who lost their husband, and one of example we have that one woman just married six days ago, and she went there for their honeymoon or for their celebration of wedding, but she lost her husband after the 6 days of marriage. So is it the nation where we are living, that still we are not feel like that, yes, so that we can say that we are now totally free, we have that freedom. Yes, we have that freedom that we can we have freedom of speech, but still we really need to think wisely that we are not safe in our nation. So how we can feel this thing, and our government is saying that we just need to they are just doing like stop their water or food. So is it the only reason, it is the only solution or way so that they can stop this thing? Do you ever think about like the people who are surviving from this thing, and they are sitting in their homes, and now they are just like they just lost their everything, right? And all the celebrities, all the Indians leaders are just continuously doing tweeters on Twitter that this is the heartbreaking and this and that. But what happened by this? What they can do it? Like what they want to do by showing their heartbreaking towards those people who killed in the Kashmir attack. So this is not the correct solution, I think. We really need to take strong step, strong mindset so that we can stop it. Because this is going on from the last so long. So are we able to stop it? Are we? I don't think so that are we. So there are many ways, there are many I have many examples like Pulwama attack and Kasab attack, Mumbai attack, right? And but here one thing which we can learn from the Americans, when Osama bin Laden went there to attack America, so he escaped from the America, right? He ran away from there, and he was living in Lahore, Pakistan for the last for the 10 years. When we get to know that Osama bin Laden is still alive and he is staying in Lahore, Pakistan with his among family. So American government, they started just operation towards the Pakistan nation without knowing, without asking a single step that what we really need to do, because they just want to save their nation, and they did it. They proved it that is superpower country. So they started just operation towards the Pakistan, and they lived there. Literally they lived there in Pakistan to operate to complete that operation, and finally American government killed him, Osama bin Laden, with his family. They killed him, and they proved that yes, nobody can see us as in the by evil eye. So why we are not able to do something? We are just talking about that 26 people are killed in the attack. That's it. And we are going to on protest for the 5 days, 10 days, and people will gonna remember them just for the next 10 or 15 days, I guess. And I think this parameter could be very long term. Like I am saying that 10 to 15 days, but maybe it's just less than. So I think our government should do something immense. They just need to bombard on Pakistan. We have to understand we really need to take strong and immense and giant step towards that, so that we can think, so that we can breathe freely, so that we can say that yes, we are the part of India, so that we can see our flag that yes, this is something like we have. As in being, there is one question. Is not your blood boiling? Not? Don't you have real blood in your DNA? So do you guys? Okay, there is one question from you. Who wants to go Kashmir after that? You. So according to you, Kashmir is safe now.
I don't think Kashmir is safe, but I want to enjoy.
You want to enjoy. You just want to enjoy. So that's why you just want to go there with your family, right?
No,
Then?
with my friend.
With your friends. So your friends are not your family, right?
It's my family, but more than family, I think.
Sorry?
More than family, I think.
More than family. And you want to just take risk. So that's why you are saying that I just want to go with my friends.
But in every work, risk is there.
Risk is there. I also agree that risk is there. But when we know that it could be happen anytime.
But why we stop our life with a thing that it's risky?
Okay, so we can't say anything. Maybe you can be the next one, right? You can be killed by the terrorism, and we are here supporting to them because we don't have any exact parameter to weigh so that we can prevent them. So if you are guys totally okay, then yes, you can go. This is your right. So, but I don't think so that I really want to go there. I really wanted to, but now I don't want to go there because I don't want to put my family in trouble. So this is the thing that which is I really wanted to share. But we really need to think about those people while tweeting or just Instagram. We can't stop this thing, right? We just really need to think about those people who are just screaming, who are just screeching, and who are just crying at their homes, and who are just thinking about that she was 16 days ago, she was just married, and now after the 6 days, she is just seeing herself in the front of mirror as a widow. So this is like heartbreaking for me. And what we can do, we really need to, as I told you, that we just need to bombard. And otherwise, if we can't do it, so we have to take strong steps, so that we really need to identify those agencies of Al Qaeda or ISSI, so that we can think that yes, we are something.